Naga political groups NPGs have taken a significant step towards unity by agreeing to implement the Council of Naga Cooperation and Relationship, a working mechanism aimed at moving forward together. The decision was made during a meeting convened by the Forum for Naga Reconciliation (FNR) at Chumakitima on Tuesday, that is yesterday. Authorized representatives from various NPGs participated in the session, engaging in constructive dialogue to address ongoing impasse and acknowledging the deep turmoil and anguish faced by the Naga people. In a joint statement, the representative appealed to all NPGs and the Naga public to join this collective process. They also reaffirmed their commitment to the 2009 Covenant of Reconciliation, strengthening efforts to uphold Naga historical and political rights as expressed in landmark events such as the Naga Memorandum to the Simon Commission in 1929, the Declaration of Naga Independence in 1947, and the Naga Voluntary Plebiscite in 1951. The leaders emphasized their shared resolve to safeguard Naga ancestral territories and peoplehood which transcend artificial boundaries as a united people. Acknowledging past shortcomings, the NPG's representative admitted to having faltered, hurt each other and angered the Naga public through their words and actions. They confessed their missteps before God, the Naga people and neighboring communities, pledging to become more self-vigilant, responsible and accountable moving forward. They also testified to God's love and faithfulness even amidst their failures and committed themselves to finding a common ground for the greater Naga cause. The declaration was signed by key leaders from various NPGs including NNC, FGN, Kadake, Zopra, Vero, NSCN, R. Kilonsa, Horangse Sangtam, NNC, FGN, Kilo Kilonsa, P. Putailam, NNC, FGN, Kilonsa, B. Ating Konyak, NNC, FGN, Kilonsa, Victor M2, FGN, Kadake, Hakuvi Achumi, UNPG, NNC, PB, Ato Kilonsa, Taliba Sangtam, NNC, FGN, Secretary, Saletri Sangtam, A. Mohammed Motsanglau, NSCN, GPRNK, S. Kivi Ho Zimomi, UNPG, NNC, PB, Akaho Zimomi, NSCN, GPRNK, Shehato I. Yeska, General Secretary, NNC, GDRN, C. Singsong, MEL, GPRN, NSCN U, Alezo Vanu Ato Kilonsa, GPRN, NSCN U, Colonel Retired Isak Sumi Ato Kilonsa, NSCN, GPRNK, Kraibo Chavang, NSCN, GPRN Hebron, Hutovi Chishi, Convener SC, NSCN, Reverend Puni, NSCN, GPRN Satricham, NSCN Reformation, Tokishe Sumi, GPRN NSCN, and TV Letsaba, NNC, FGN.